What's up, CG family? Welcome back to the YouTube. I am literally on a roll with posting, and I'm gonna continue that because ever since I moved into this new place, I have a lot of time, a lot of room to make videos, edit, and all of that fun stuff. But before we go to the garage and work on the RSX, depending on whatever this video is titled, I got some things from Amazon. They are car related, so keep watching. How am I gonna mount this? There we go. So, really simple things. They're both under 20 bucks, and I'm gonna show you guys. You guys are probably like, what is this? I'm super duper excited because I will be decorating my garage, so I guess that gives it away. As you guys saw in my previous video, I did get a ring light in honor of reaching 100K on Instagram. Thank you again. And I'm gonna be using that in the garage. I got this cool LED thing. I will show you guys as well for the garage, just so the lighting's a lot better and you guys can see a lot better. But let's show you guys. Pause and guess what this is. Not like the general thing. It is a flag, but can you guys guess what kind of flag this is? Okay, all right, let's open it. Ta-da! Can you guys see that? So sweet! And it is the OG logo of the Nismo. So I'm gonna be hanging this up in my garage. And then I also got, I think you guys can even tell by this. Can you guys guess this one in the comments? Pause it. I think you guys can already tell. Anyways, I hope your guys' day is going great so far. And if not, I hope I can put a smile on your guys' face throughout this video. Let's see what this looks like. I'm confused. Ooh, there we go. And then look at the very end. Super sweet. I'm absolutely obsessed. I do have one more thing to unbox. I kind of already unboxed it like on TikTok, but it's from eBay, so let me go grab it. I'm gonna show you guys the box first. This is the box, and this is what I got. I think it already says it on the box. It said floor mats, but I got new floor mats for the RSX. Oh, focus. And they say DC5 on them with the Japanese flag. So I think this is absolutely sweet. The other one looks the same for the passenger side. So I will be putting those in today. But before we put the floor mats in and put these flags up, as you guys know from the other videos, all I've been really doing is just fixing the RSX as I've promised, like since I was at the other house, that it just needs a lot of fixing and a lot of cleaning. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I rented this tool from Home Depot. It was only 18 bucks for a 4-hour rental, and we're gonna see how disgusting they are. I mean, this is a 2006 car, and who knows if the seats have ever been deep cleaned. So we're gonna be doing that today. Here's a better look at the flags. I'm gonna be using thumbtacks for each corner to attach it to the wall. That way I can kind of stretch it out more and get rid of these creases. But before we hang those up in the garage, I do want to say I got something else from Amazon over here. I got a big shelf. That way I can organize all my stuff a lot better because it's just thrown everywhere. All right, we're gonna be building this shelf real quick. First section of the shelf is done. I think I got the hang of this now. Man, every time I'm building some furniture, I always remember Bob the Builder for some reason. That was like part of my childhood. All right, I'm gonna check back with you guys once I have the next 2 layers in. So, be right back. All right guys, so I just brought the shelf out here and I'm probably just gonna place it out to the corner, and we are about to get started on the RSX and deep cleaning the seats. So I'm gonna go change into an outfit that I don't care about if it gets dirty, and then we're gonna get straight to it. So I will talk to you guys in the next clip. I'm back. What's up? Oh, I wasn't in gear. Nice. While I'm waiting for this line, I'm just gonna show you guys, like, you guys can just already see how dirty and disgusting these seats are. So we're gonna be cleaning them. I'm still not sure if I'm actually gonna be removing the seats out of the car and then cleaning it. That is the right way to do it, but I don't know if I feel like doing that. But we will find out. I also wanted to say I did see all of your guys' comments in like the video before the previous one, so 2 videos ago, and all of you guys are interested to see like all of the loopholes and like, not really loopholes, just like the steps I had to take to be able to afford what I can afford now, because I didn't really come from a financially stable house growing up. Like, it was like pretty bad. Hopefully one day I can share that story with you guys, but I am going to be sharing all the tips and tricks that a lot of you guys may not know when you're underage, and how you can afford stuff like this or an apartment or things like that. And I will be making that video. I am in the works of it. I want to make it very I want to make it very concise because you guys know I ramble a lot, so I want to make it very just like not professional. Like I still want to, you know, be talking like I'm your older sister or something like that, but like I just have to get straight to the point because I ramble a lot, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm at the garage because I can't stop talking. But there's my ring light, and look how much better the lighting is. What tone should I go for today? Let's see. Should I go for a warm tone? Nah. Let's see. That's way too cool. I think this one's the perfect tone. I decided that since I'm just a little bit lazy and I have to turn this in tonight at Home Depot at like, I don't know what time, I'm just gonna be keeping the seats inside. I'm not gonna be unscrewing them, taking them off, and unplugging the sensors. I'm just gonna leave them inside. We're just gonna quickly shampoo them and see how dirty they are. And then I do plan on in the future taking this car and getting it professionally detailed, probably next Saturday. But or this upcoming Saturday, but for now I just want to see how dirty they are, okay? Like I have this tool behind me and Tanya rented it out, so I just want to see how dirty they are. And I'm sure you guys want to know too. Let me just grab my handy dandy ring light and move it closer. So the first thing I started doing before I shampoo the seats is literally just clean out all of this like garbage. There was like 10,000 water bottles here, and I feel like I could probably just like reach my hand out here, yep, and grab another one. I'm just like throwing them all away and just getting a lot of dirt out of the way. I need to find a better lighting situation for the inside of this car because it has like 5% tints all around. So no light is like passing through it right now, and you guys can't see how dirty it is. I was literally taking out garbage from the driver's seat, and you will not believe what I just saw. I mean, it's dark, so you guys can't really see, but you will not believe what I'm about to show you guys I saw. This is like the footrest. It goes like right up. My sister's calling me. Yo, what's up?
How much you tell me to call you?
No, I didn't.
Call me when you get out.
It looks broken, but I mean, we can still place it there for now, right? All right, now you guys can see a lot better. So now I decided that I'm just gonna quickly vacuum the car of all those little rocks and like random stuff just before I start shampooing the car, just so I feel like it's gonna be a lot easier. So we're gonna do that right now. Thanks. I've been waiting for you to come.
I've been waiting to get home.
Because I wanted you to do the honors.
What? What am I doing?
Can you put 2 and 2 together? I don't think she can get it. You know,
What do you want me to do?
Alright, she's about to go for the first swipe.
What is this? Chris Fix would have cleaned this better.
Tanya watched Chris Fix's whole super cleaning video on the seats. So you already know the first step we're doing is wrong, and that's by keeping these seats in the car. But oh well.
Oh, I did turn it.
Here we go. It works a lot better on these seats, I feel like.
Yeah.
Suctioning out all those farts.
It don't seem crazy dirty.
Yeah, I feel like up here it's gonna get dirtier since this is where people spill a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Oh, right there as well.
Yeah.
And then you can go back and like really suck out the water. Right here it seems dirty.
Oh, did you see that? That was dirty.
Trust me, you want to see this.
Hold up, let me get a better. Okay, go.
Alright.
Let's see how dirty the seats were.
Oh my god.
Ew!
Nasty.
What? Ew! As I showed you guys earlier in this video, I did unbox these DC5 floor mats that I'm gonna be putting inside of the car. I probably should save them until I get it professionally detailed, but I just wanna see how it's gonna look with them on. So I'm gonna take the driver's side floor mat and let's go put it inside. So this is how the seats look now. We got them pretty clean. There is some stains, as you guys can see right in the middle right there, that we didn't get out just because we didn't fully go at it, but I'm gonna be placing this floor mat in right now. I wanna see what it looks like. Just like that. Look how sweet that looks. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Let's go over to the other side because I wanna show you guys what the OEM floor mats look like. They say RSX on them, just like that. And unfortunately, we only had this floor mat that said RSX on it. We didn't have a driver's side floor mat. That's why I went ahead and ordered a whole set. So as you guys can see, the DC5 peeking through over there. So yeah. Anyways, I am going to close out this video right here because it's currently 7:36 at night and I haven't had anything to eat other than like Starbucks, and that's not really good. So I'm probably gonna have sushi or something. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'm so excited to see you guys in the next video. So make sure you're subscribed and like this video. Comment how you're liking the RSX so far. I'll see you guys soon.